Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentices Club. Today we're going to do another tutorial name called URL Status Checker. So what is this URL Status Checker? So it is a Python tool for swiftly checking the status of the URLs. It categorizes a response by HTTP status code, offering a clear insights into a website health with a scan request, a color-coded output, and easily a client usage. It is handy solutions for monitoring a web services and performance. So once we are choose any type of targeted tool, we need to look what are the features we can get it. Uh, so the main features we can get it here. Check the status of the single or multiple URLs or domains, and asynchronous HTTP request for improved performance, color coded output for a better visualization of status codes, a progress bar when checking a multiple URLs, save a result to an output file, error handling for inaccessible URLs and invalid response, and command line interfaces for easy uses. So now we would like to do this one. Open the terminal. Now you just type here as git clone and paste the repository. So it will clone the repository. It was done. Now we would like to go to this URL status checker. Now type list. So first we would like to install the requirements. So it was successfully done. Now just type Python 3 URL status checker. So just copy and paste it. So here I got it here. Status checker.python created by Black Scorpion. Telegram, it was written here. No worries. So we just type clear. So now we would like to utilize with minus minus help. So I would like to specify a domain. So I would like to specify a domain like http like test php dot web.com. Let's see here. So it was okay status. That's it. So if you want to utilize a large type of a domains, uh, then we would like to look here as a list. Come back here. So I don't need to utilize any type of Firefox. So I just need to write some of the targeted uh, websites. Like you just type here nano, and you just type as ls.txt. So you just enter your some targeted domains like google.com, https yahoo.com. And so I just writing some URLs, so that's fine for something a track here. So let's try here. Let's try hack me. So let's see here. I just type Control O, Control X. Now I just type cat list.txt. So I have a list of files, some of targeted domains. So okay, that's fine. Now we would like to, I would like to specify here as, so you can look here again as help. Then I specify as a list.txt. Now let's see here, checking the all URLs. Now you can look here where it was found. As you can look here as where you can get it as 200, that's fine. Where you can get as 301, that's fine. Where you get 403, that was error. So it will easily, you can check all those things here. That's it. So you try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.